The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing Litecoin, and you must be asking yourself why are you doing Litecoin? Well, it's not doing anything special, but talking about Litecoin is like talking about Bitcoin because the charts are almost the same. So if we know what Litecoin is gonna do, maybe we know what Bitcoin is gonna do. Also, Litecoin is very familiar to the people. A lot of people like Litecoin, so why not? We can make Litecoin. Anyways, let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and see what's actually happening with Litecoin. So you can see here already that the Litecoin is not yet above us, its all-time high. So let's just put those resistances up just so we have them. This is the monthly all-time high. Then we have the weekly all-time high. Where is that? That's there. And then we have the daily all-time high. That's up here, I think. There we go. You can see here that we are only fighting the monthly all-time high, and as you know, Bitcoin is already way past all-time high, right? So what gives? So the charts are the same. I'm gonna show you the charts. The charts are the same, but wait, something like this. This is Bitcoin down here. The charts are the same, but the scale is different. The scale is different, but they do almost the same kind of pumps, just with a different force. In this pump over here, it's actually the same as this pump over here, but it just doesn't have the as much as pump as Bitcoin has. So I can show you. You can zoom in on this part over here, just so you can see it a little bit better. That's the part like here. Zoom it over here. It's September, March, something like that. So you can see the pumps are actually the same. You got this pump over here, you got this run up that goes like something like this, and goes also down here, right? Then you got this big run up here, run up there. And then you also have this next bump, and then now you have this small wick down there, or whatever you want to call it, right? So technically they are the same, but they're not the same. You know, same, but not the same. So we're gonna talk about we're gonna talk a little bit about Litecoin and see actually what we can get out of it. Like, if we can figure out what's Litecoin gonna do next, maybe we can figure out what Bitcoin is gonna do next, and that would be nice, right? So we're gonna assume that we know what we're doing and that Litecoin is kind of showing us the way. So let's try to figure out. This seems to be some kind of pattern up here. Let's turn off this. This seems to be something like this. Some kind of wedge. We are in the rising wedge of some kind. This is actually the same thing that's happening on the Bitcoin right now. I can even draw it on Bitcoin. Where's the Bitcoin? Down here. It's the same thing. It's a little bit different, but you can say it's the same thing. It goes all the way, and then this line actually goes down here. Here's this stops. Yeah, and the same. So you got some kind of rising wedge up here and a strong uptrend, right? So we are expecting it to hit the top over here. Let's get back to our chart, Litecoin chart. So right now we are expecting this to find the bottom here at 200 and actually go all the way up to something like 300 or something like that. So 50% up at least to confirm the hit on the line. So what I'm expecting right now, just by looking at this, is we're gonna go up to the 300, something like this, then maybe get small pullback, consolidation, and we're gonna exit this sooner or later, all the way above at least above 300, and when this happens, when this last part happens, I think we're gonna get the last part of the bull run as well, because this is gonna be some kind of a new trend line to follow, and we're gonna go like very fast up. So I think everybody is expecting this parabolic last move to happen very soon. So that's what I think is gonna happen. But first thing first, I think we're gonna go up and this is 2nd April, so maybe in a week or two. It's gonna take a while. Maybe it's gonna go faster than that, but we're gonna go all the way up here and test this weekly resistance up here with this in this wedge. So that's what I think. It's assumption, doesn't have to be. So let's see what technicals are telling us. Moving averages, we are getting support on the 20 moving average, but the 10 moving average is, we are still below the 10 moving average on the daily. That's actually not very nice. That's not very nice, but on the bullish side, that can actually be quite good as soon as you break it. So as soon as we break this 10 moving average on the daily chart, I think I'm gonna be super bullish on the on Litecoin. So we gotta break this level over here. That's at 204, 206. Was that 208? Let's say it's 208. Once we break the 208 line, I think I'm gonna be super bullish on this, because we will be above the 10 moving average, right? And then you're above 10 moving average, you're above 20, 50 moving, you're above all the moving average on the daily, and you're bullish. So after that, you want to see that we actually break the next resistance at 227, and once 227 is broken, we're gonna go for all-time high. Right, all-time high is at 237. Sorry, not all-time high, but this local all-time high is 237. And once we break both of these, then the next target should be up here at around 300. Where is 300? Somewhere around here in the ballpark area, up at least on this resistance line up here, right? So that's what we're looking for. But there are steps to be taken. We got to get above the 10 moving average. We got to cross these two resistance line. We got to close above them, and we got to go. But I think we are sitting right now some kind of lowest point, because we are sitting on this support line over here, getting supported by the 20 moving average on the downside. The only thing that's holding us back is this 10 moving average, but I think that's going to be broken quite soon. So I think Litecoin is actually getting ready to pump. Here on the MACD, it looks like we're going to get a bearish cross, but that doesn't have to mean anything, because weekly we are still very bullish. Nothing is actually happening. There is no cross yet coming in. So if it starts pumping today, there won't be actually any cross at all. RSI is very nice levels. This is on the daily. It's down all the way down at 50 RSI on the daily. On the weekly, it's down at 65. It's down at 65. And on the monthly, it's only at 73. So just looking at RSI, it got a very long way to go before it starts getting over both levels. So right now, I think Litecoin is in prime area to pump, and I think it's actually gonna do that. So that's what I think. We're gonna get above the 10 moving average, cross these two resistance line over here, and once that, then the 300 target is in the books. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these videos. We just do technical analysis in this channel. If that's your thing, you know, and if that's not your thing, you know, you still got to subscribe, because how else are you gonna know when to buy and sell? You can't. There is absolutely no way you know when to buy sell. You cannot buy the news because people are selling the news, and then you have to buy the rumor, but you know, hard. You need to know technical analysis. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna make more videos today, so keep on watching. Bye bye.